Ignorance of employment law is not bliss, whether for the employee or for the employer. As an employment law lawyer, one of the things that I try to emphasize to clients is that the laws that relate to the workplace may seem to go against ordinary common sense. Not recognizing this may lead to very expensive lessons that don't need to happen. Both employers and employees often have to take the time to understand this basic truth of the workplace. The laws that apply are not based on ordinary human intuition. For example, Wisconsin is an at-will employment state. This means that either the employer or the employee may end the work relationship at any time for any lawful reason. Now, this is an important concept because it means that basic themes of human fairness that people think ought to legally be part of the workplace may not be legally required. Now, on the other hand, there are several important limits to this at-will standard. An at-will workplace doesn't mean that anything goes. Employees may have legal rights that can seem unclear and difficult to understand for many employers. Employers need to understand that they have an obligation to keep a workplace that is free from harassment based on sex or creed, gender, age, nationality, or disability. Or they may steer clear of retaliation based on complaints that rise out of these issues or complaints. Now, successful businesses know that they must be keenly aware of the discrimination laws, the wage and hour laws, the retaliation laws, FMLA and disability laws, as well as basic labor laws, so that they can be as profitable and as economical as possible. They need well-drafted handbooks and employment policies that are applied consistently. They ordinarily need to document if they are experiencing poor performance by an employee so that they can realize that they have a right to receive acceptable work performance by each and every employee. Businesses also need to stay clear of retaliation against employees who might complain about workplace situations in concert with other employees. Now, that's where we can help. Not just because we know the laws, but because we try to provide understanding about these laws so that they can be applied by the employer in a way that leads to a successful, profitable workplace and one with high employee morale and productivity.